Boom shakalaka. What is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. Happy Sunday, everybody. Today's episode, we are going to be talking about the impending doom, the Bitcoin death cross, and why this may be a false death cross that may be completely inconsequential. Also, we'll be taking a look at some of the news articles associated with that. Looming death cross suggests Bitcoin may be nearing price bottom. Bear cross on key indicator could push Bitcoin price at $7,300. Also, we'll be taking a look at exactly why this may be a false death cross and some ways that you can trade the market right now. So we'll be taking a look at all that stuff today. And if that is something you would be interested in, then you might certainly want to check out today's episode. All right, now today's episode, we're talking about the death cross. I just want to say, guys, I made this awesome video yesterday. I am 100% convinced that Bitcoin is now the best investment. I made this awesome video and nobody watched 1,000 videos. I'm so disappointed in you guys. But anyways, the death cross. Everybody's talking about the death cross. This is the big news. What's going on in Bitcoin other than just the price hovering at $8,000? Well, an impending death cross. And if we take a look back through time, we had a golden cross here. That was April of 2019. We had a death cross here in March of 2018. And this is actually the 6th death cross that Bitcoin has had. So we had a death cross here, death cross here, death cross here. And then if we go back even further, death cross here. Now, why am I saying that this could be a false death cross and actually is a false death cross? Well, I'll tell you right after we look at the news articles. So in the news, Omkar Godbol, technical analyst for CoinDesk, he's saying looming death cross suggests Bitcoin price may be nearing price bottom. Basically, the 50 and 200-day moving averages are set to produce a death cross. In case you guys didn't know what a death cross is, this is the 50-day moving average in blue, the 200-day in orange, and they are set to cross over. Now, when the 50-day crosses under the 200-day, bad news, death cross. When the 50 crosses above the 200, good news, golden cross, okay? He says that Bitcoin may drop to support near 74.30 before then. A break above 88.20 is needed to invalidate the bearish lower highs set up and confirm a bullish reversal. Now, furthermore, in his Cointelegraph article, they talk about bear cross key indicator could push Bitcoin price to $7,300. So we have two price predictions, $7,300 to $74.30. Where is Bitcoin going? Is it actually going to break down to there? Because if we take a look, the last time there was a death cross here, okay, the death cross was right here when Bitcoin price was right about $6,600, right around there. Okay, maybe even 65. And it pretty much stayed there until the giant manipulation right there. But, I mean, that one was accurate. Now, on to why this is a false death cross. Well, there's this video here. I'll post it down in the description. This is actually Alessio Rastani. You can see him right here, okay? But if we take a look, he's talking about what a death cross is and how actually to trade it. So right here it says that death cross is only so meaningful when both the short-term and long-term moving averages are declining. If the short-term line is falling but the long-term line is still going up, it's not concerning. So if we take a look at today's death cross, we have the short-term going down. This is the 50 moving average going down, but we have the long-term going up, meaning it's not concerning, not a true death cross. This is a false death cross. Now that being said, may the price break down? Yes, it certainly might. And here's exactly what I'm doing. I myself am trading the MACD. Okay, I trade the MACD all the time. That's basically my form of trading. It's trending back down to, say, potentially holding a stable coin short term. But another person who I might take his advice from, Jacob Canfield, very good trader, one of the top traders on TradingView, he's talking about this rectangular formation for Bitcoin. So the rectangles clearly define level of support and resistance that act as a pause or congestion in the middle of a trend. So we see the trend break down, and then we have pause and congestion between the $7,800 to $8,600 area where the price creeps back and jumping up and down. It's mostly seen as a continuation pattern by classical technical analysts and traders, but can be a reversal depending upon volume flow and a breakout from the range with the top of support resistance flipping as support. Now, he tells us how to trade this rectangular formation. So there's two strategies to trading rectangles. The first is to long support and short resistance, okay? So that means that when we fall down here to the $7,800, you're gonna go long. When we go up to the $8,600, you short. And you use a very tight stop loss to lower your risk in the case of a breakdown or breakout of the formation. You can also long a breakout pullback or short a breakdown pullback. The key here is to make sure that there's high buy-side volume on the breakout or high sell-side volume on the breakdown for stronger confirmation. So he gives a couple ideas for how to trade this. He also says we're in this area, this rectangle right now from $7,800 to $8,600. Okay, once we break out of that rectangle, possibility for going up to $9,500 or down to $6,400, depending upon which side we break out on. So that's actually what I'm looking for, to see which direction we're breaking out, because we've been, for 2 weeks now, we've been $7,800 to $8,600. Which direction are we going? Potentially could be a continuation pattern down to $6,400. I was talking about Bitcoin going to $6,500 a couple weeks ago. And potentially that's the direction we're going, just in a holding pattern right now until it gets manipulated some more and price breaks down some more. So that's it for the episode today. If you want to find out more about trading taught by Jacob Canfield, you can check out Signal Profits. There's a link for it down in the description. He teaches you how to trade. He also has a 21-day trading challenge, and soon he will have a course for how to margin trade for those guys who want to learn that. Furthermore, check out the Monarch wallet. Also, Monarch Pay, the world's first decentralized recurrent crypto payments. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you all later. Have a great weekend. Peace.